Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to send SMS for new Outlook calendar events. So this automation is for the people who want to create events in Outlook calendar and want to send an SMS for the same as a reminder. So this automation that we are going to create using Pabbly Connect, here our trigger will be the new calendar event created in Office 365 and our action will be sending SMS using Twilio. So we will learn how to integrate these two applications. Let us learn how to do that. So in this automation, we are going to learn how you can send an SMS notification for any event that you will be created in your Outlook calendar. So let us quickly sign in into our automation software. That will take me to this place where I can see all the applications provided to us by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create the automation. Click on Access Now and we will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, we can see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Send SMS for new Outlook calendar events. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you can see on your screen. Now what is going to be in this workflow is trigger and action windows. These plus buttons are provided to you to add more action steps to this workflow. Make sure you've opened your calendar, Outlook calendar over here, and also your Twilio, which will help you send an SMS. So the workflow is for cases like whenever you will create an event in your Outlook calendar, you will mention who is going to attend the event. And that's how you will get the information of the contact number where a notification SMS will be sent as a reminder or a notification for the new event being scheduled. So the trigger application says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first application where we are going to make the changes manually, which will trigger the workflow, and the action will be performed automatically. So the trigger will be creating a new event and action is going to be sending SMS. So choose our trigger application as Microsoft 365 and the event will be new calendar event. Click on Connect, add new connection, connect with Microsoft Office 365. It will automatically detect your account. You just have to scroll down and click on Yes to give access to Pabbly Connect. Do not worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. Now the authorization is successful and Microsoft 365 and Pabbly Connect is connected. Now you can choose any calendar from here. If this is the one you're working upon, then leave it. Otherwise, you can choose it from this drop-down menu. Like I am working upon Pabbly Connect as the calendar. So here I have chosen the calendar as well. Now before you click on Save and Send Test Request, make sure that you will create an event over here. Let's say on 24th, we are going to have a meeting. So here I will add details about the event. Meeting with the customer. The date is already selected. You can select the time from here. It's 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. All right. Now any location you want to enter, you can open this in a bigger window and add invitees over here. Like I'm going to add the invitee as this is the invitee I've used. Use this address. Okay, so I've mentioned that this person will be joining the meeting. Now, if you want to add any description, so you can write details about the event. Okay. Now, since the basic settings have been already done, click on Send and the event is created. Coming back to the workflow, click on Save and Send Test Request and it will fetch the recently created event over here. See, the title is here, the start date is over here, the end date is also here. We have the email addresses of the person and also we will be having the attendee's email address. You will find yes, here it is. Okay, so this attendee's email address will get us the contact number as well. If you have this in your contact, then we are going to put the next action application as Google Contacts, from where you can enter the email and find the contact number of that specific person. So close this window and choose your next action application as Google Contacts. The event in this case will be search contact. So search contact by matching value. So the matching value we are going to use over here is going to be the email address. Now since it is a Google application, add new connection and sign in with your Google account. Choose the Google account and click on allow. And here you have the access to see your Google contacts as well. Now the search value you will enter over here as the email address. So find the email address and map it. Click on Save and Send Test Request. If there is a contact with this email address, you will receive yes. There is one email address with the same contact and we have the contact number of that person here. Here we want to send the reminder SMS or the notification SMS. But now one more thing is there that you have received the date over here in this format. Where is the date? This is the date. Okay. And you want to put this date in the simpler format because you want to send an SMS to the person notifying that this is the date and time of your appointment. So we are going to change the date over here. Now this is something which is up to you, but I want to make my message look very simpler to my customer or the person who is creating this event. The event here is going to be format date with time zone. So you want to format the date and time zone both. Click on connect. And over here, you will enter the date that you want to change. So we want the start date. So type in the search and map data, start date and time. Okay, now this is changed. From format. So from is this only because the date is given in this year, month, date, time. And this time is given. So this is the same format. What is the to format? You want to make it to a simpler format. So let's say keep it to a type of format where the date and time both are clearly visible. Like this is the one. Okay, month, date, time, year, and then time is given over here. And you can change this to UTC. Okay, now this is the one. Click on save and send test request and you will get your date in a simpler format. You've received it. Now you can map it straight away in your message. So there comes our last application, that is Twilio. Finally, we are going to use this application. Now we have the contact number of the person and also the date in the correct format. The event will be send SMS. Click on connect, add new connection, and now you will need some credentials over here. Account SID, authorization token, and SID again. So do not worry. If you've opened your Twilio account here, scroll down and here you will find the SID and authorization token both. Copy it from here and paste it in their respective positions. Again, copy the authorization token and paste it right here. Click on save and your connection will be established. Now since it is connected, you have to frame the body of the SMS, enter the sender's number and also the recipient number. So the sender's number is this given over here, your own Twilio phone number, so that you don't have to use your personal phone number for sending any notification SMS. Here you will map this, so let us copy it from here and paste it here. This is going to be static and it's not going to change. So what is the body of the message? Meeting on. And this will be provided by here, this, please join on time. Thanks. This is the message that you have already framed. Now recipient number, so we are going to map that from this Google contact. Make sure the number involves the country code before it. Okay, so we will write +91 first. This is my country code and I will get the number from here. So I will map the number. You can take this number also because it is already having +91. Okay, so I am taking this one because I have already added +91 and now I will click on save and send test request. And see, here we have received the response sent from your Twilio trial account. Let us check our SMS that have we received it or not. Close this window first. So this is the message that we have received and this is the same message that we drafted, which means that we can receive a message via Twilio whenever we add a new calendar event and then the attendees will be fetched and that's how we can get the contact number through Google Contacts. The dates will be changed and message will be sent. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.